You are welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be solving question number 4, which is a diagonal scale. The question says that you construct a scale of 3 centimeter equal 1 decimeter to read up to 4 decimeter in centimeter and millimeter. That's how we know that it's a diagonal scale. It has decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So it has 3 units. That means it can measure up to 2 decimal places. Unlike the same question is what I have in question number 2 here, which says you construct a scale of 3 centimeter equal 1 decimeter to read up to 4 decimeter in centimeter. This one is just decimeter and centimeter, but in this case it is decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So that means it has 3 units, meaning that it can measure up to 2 decimal places. So that makes it a diagonal scale. So using the same calculation for the ratio, it will give you the same thing, and the RF calculating the same thing, the length of scale will still give us 120 millimeter. So it is still the same question, only that we are using it to construct a diagonal scale now. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is to draw a horizontal line. I'm going to draw a horizontal line. I'll start from 13. 13 to 23 is 10. So 11, 12. It will be here. That's 120 millimeter. Then I'll draw a vertical line at both ends. Vertical line at both ends. Like this. And like this. This time around, you notice that my vertical lines are longer. Yeah, this is for diagonal scale. They are usually longer. So I'm going to measure 5 cm instead of 1 cm for the which I use for the plane scale. I'm going to measure 5 now. This is 5 cm. So let me draw a horizontal line at that point. This. So just like in the case of the plane scale, I'm going to divide this 1, 2 into a number of places. Let's look at the question. To read up to 4 decimeter. So I'm going to divide it into 4 places. I'm going to divide it into 4 places, 4 parts. I want to use 2 centimeter. Let me draw the line first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So I'll join the last one to the end of the line like this. Then I'll place the other set square under this one. Check it again. Make sure it is by the line, parallel to the line as much as possible. So I'll now put this one under here. Let me adjust the camera so that you can see what I'm doing down there. Aha. So let me move it a little bit upward again, like this. So I'll now place this one under it. Make sure they are touching. So after setting it very well, I'll now hold the one below firmly so that I can shift the one on top. Shift it like this to this place. Shift it to the other one. Like this. And the last one like this. So that is that. Now I'll draw vertical lines. I'll draw vertical lines from all those points of division. I'll draw vertical lines. Vertical lines can be thick line. Draw vertical lines. Let me thicken this one too. And the first one. Don't forget, I have to take in the horizontal one too. I'm taking this one. Yes. So after doing this one now, the next thing is to divide this first part, because this place is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is in decimeter. Write decimeter here, and this part is centimeter. So we need to divide it to get the division of each. So I'm going to draw a scale line upward like this. I'll use 5 for this one. 5 mm. 1, 2. I'm dividing it into 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the division. So let me move the camera up a little. So I'll join the last one. Join the last one as usual to the end of the line that I want to divide, like this, and I'll place the other set square under it. So I'll now hold this one tight once it is set, so that I can slide the one above it like this. Like that. Have to be very careful so that your lines are very parallel. Like this. This one and the last one. Yeah, like that. So the next thing that I'm going to do now, remember in the plane scale, when we're doing the plane scale, once we have divided it like this, we will draw the vertical line. This time around, we are not going to draw vertical line because it's a diagonal scale. We need diagonal lines. So before we do the diagonal lines, we need to transfer all these points at the top to the bottom as well. So you are not going to draw the line, just transfer the point. Place it on the first one and mark the point. Place it on the next one, mark the point. We are not drawing the line, you are just marking the point. Place it on the third, mark the point. Place it on the next one. Let's see. Mark the point. Place it on the next one. Mark the point. Place it on this one. Mark the point. So we are just marking the point. We are not drawing the lines. Mark the point. Place it on this one. Mark the point. Place it on the last one and mark the point. So we have marked all the points. So now this one on 0, you connect it to the one for 1, so it will form a diagonal line. 0 to 1 like this. You can see it is a diagonal line. You now join 1 to 2 like this, so it will be giving you diagonal line. You join 2 to 3 like this. This one is missing here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something is wrong somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This one can't be this wide. Let me see it again. it is this one that is actually, let me see this one. This is correct. This is correct. This one is, there's also one here. There's one here. There's one here. Okay. So this one will be connected to this. Like this. This will be connected to this. Connect this one 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 to this, and this last one to the corner, like this. So that's how you get to draw your diagonal scale. But we are not done with that. We have been able to draw, let me label this one 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now remaining the horizontal line, we have done for the centimeter, remaining the, no sorry, okay, centimeter, it will be remaining millimeter. The one here will be millimeter. So we need to divide this one into 10. Because we have used 50, you will divide 50 by 10 to give you 10 millimeter. No, sorry, 5 millimeter. 50 divided by 10 will be 5 millimeter. So just use your this thing to measure 5 millimeter all through. This will be 1. Let me use this one in the middle. Let me use this one in the middle. This is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So these are the divisions. So I'll draw them with my T-square like this to the next one, like this to the next one, like this, the next one, like this, the next one, like this, the next one. I'll be very careful. Like this, the next one, the next one, the next one. Is that the last? Yes, that's the last one. So now, if you are now asked, for example, to use your scale to construct an equilateral triangle of side 1.25, 1.2, let me say, okay, 1.25 decimeter, or no, let's make it 1.45 decimeter. So you measure one here, one will definitely be along this line. Now you come to this place to get 4. This is 4 decimeter, and it says 4, 5. I've now labeled this one. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1.45. This is 1 along this line. Then you count 4 on this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 we now go upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is at this point, and 1. So it will be here, somewhere here like this. So that's our one. Or if you like, you can just drag it upward like this. Take it upward and take the 1, 2 upward like this, and use a horizontal line to connect them. So this will give you 1.45 decimeter. That's 1.45 decimeter, and you are asked to construct a quadrilateral an equilateral triangle of side 1.45. So what you do, let me adjust. Okay, how do I do it? Let me take it up so that I can put it up. So I'll just draw a line randomly. I don't want to think that I'm using this one. If you like, you can just take it like this. If you have enough space above to take it like this, just draw an arc like this, and also take it like this. Come to this place as well and draw another arc like that. You have your equilateral triangle like this. Join it like this and like this, then like that. That's the equilateral triangle. Alternatively, if you like, you can just put it completely away from the scale. Just draw a line, any line of your choice, like this. After drawing this line, you pick a starting point. I want to pick this point as the starting point. So I will now take my measurement from here, my 1.45, which is this one. So I'll come here, mark this place. After marking it, I use it to draw an arc. So I'll come back to this other place and draw another arc like that. Then I will now join to get my equilateral triangle like this and like this with the base. So that's how to use my scale to draw an equilateral triangle. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.